Hi everybody, this is Joy Banerjee from AI Support, and this is the 5th video of the series. And if you miss out any of the videos, you can go back to Windows Server 2012 series of our playlist, and that has all the videos. Okay, and you will also find the link right below in the in the detail sections. Okay, so let's move on with the series, and this time in this video we will see how to install and configure Active Directory and DNS in Windows Server 2012. Okay, so for that what we have done is we have already configured the IP addresses statically, and this time I will go to server manager. Okay, so in the server manager what we need to go is I need to go to manage and go to add roles and features. Okay, so then I need to click next. Okay, so we will be installing role based and roles based installation. Click next. Okay, this is the server by default, which this is the local server. It is picking up. Click next, and this time we will be configuring Active Directory domain services. I will check this, and it will also show you the additional features which are there. So I will add features and click next, and group policy management is also being checked automatically as a feature. Click next, then next, and install. So once the installation is been completed, you will get a quick notification in this particular bar. So I can close this, and meanwhile we can see this has been happening. So let's wait it get complete, then we will close it. Okay, now we can see it has been completed, so I can click close, and in the notification bar we can see there is a warning. So it says that now we need to promote this machine to a domain controller. So we will click here and promote this as a domain controller. So there is a dialog box that already open, and in this particular dialog box we can see there is a single window on which we will have other settings to be configured. So let's say this is a new domain to the forest. So otherwise all the sections we can see in the single pane. Okay, so let me put it like my domain dot local. Okay, so let it be this our domain name, my domain dot local. Click next. So it will check in the network if it is already been existed or not. So at this moment we will be using Windows Server 2012 functional level and DNS server as this, and by default the global catalog is selected. So this is again a single window on which we will see these things. Okay, and in this particular pane we will also see this is our target server. We need to provide a directory service restore mode password, which should be different from the existing password. Okay, so let me change my password. Okay, click next. I will click next. It will automatically choose the NetBIOS name. Okay, click next. So we are having some locations like database folder location, log file location, and sysvol folder location. So we can click next. In this particular window it will give you a quick summary that what we have selected. We can also view the script which is being used to, it's a PowerShell script which you can use it later. So I can save it to desktop, computer, or create a folder, name script. Okay, ad-script. So we can use it later. So I will save, click close, and click next. So once we click next, the whole execution is happening. It is doing a prerequisite of the domain controller and is checking that we can make this machine as a domain controller or not. If anything is missing, then it will give us a failure or a warning. Okay, so at this moment these are the warnings, and at the end all prerequisite checks have successfully passed. You can click install to begin. So we will click install, to install the Active Directory on this particular machine. So now you can see it has been asking to reboot, so I will click close and click close. It will do a reboot of the machine, and I can see this is being set up and it is rebooting. So after the reboot, this machine will be acting as a domain controller, so we will see the difference. Okay, after the reboot, the server has been up. Now what we will do is we will do a Control-Alt-Delete. Now I can see it says as my domain/administrator. So now we are logging into the domain. We will be putting our domain ID password. So we have logged in successfully. So what I need to do is I will go to start and open this okay, run as administrator. So this is Active Directory users and computers, which has been formed after forming the Active Directory. We can also open DNS with DNS mgmt .msc. Hit enter. It will open the DNS console. Type something wrong, I guess. So you can see this is our DNS records are created, and one more new console which we can see. Okay, if I go to start, and this is Active Directory Administration Center. So this is a new console which has been introduced in Windows Server 2012. So this is a new Active Directory Administration Center. So in the next video we will do some task from this particular center, and we will see how we can create users from this, as well as from dsa.msc, which is default Active Directory users in the computers, as well as we will see how we can use this administration center and also creating some DNS records. So hope this video is interesting and informative for you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe our channel. There is more things to come in this particular channel, so stay tuned. Move on with the next video. This is Joy Banerjee signing off from AI Support. Thank you.